Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking at the last method of Itertools. And then we're going to do one last super special trick tip about iterators. But alright, let's take a look at the Takewhile method. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. And if you've not subscribed yet, let's go ahead and hit that watermark straight down below me. So alright, Takewhile, if you've never seen it, so alright, you see all this, successive entries, predicate evaluates true. Alright, I'm going to sum this up for you. So I'm going to show you this a couple of different ways. So I remember the first time I did this, I saw, let's put this here. I thought I had it all figured out because, so I ran this and let's do y equals Itertools take while. I was like, okay, this is kind of like a set, but then that word is important. So let's just look at it. So we need to do a lambda function, lambda I, let's do I less than 6, right? That's what I wanted, I less than 6. And then give it x. So then for I in y, print I. So okay, let's go over this. So I go, okay, everything is less than, or you get rid of the 6, 1 and 4 is less than 6. I'm like, okay, so that filters it out and it's like a set. Then I saw another example and I went, this doesn't make sense. So let's do this. So this 5 should show up, right? But it didn't. But this successive is very important. Let's move this 6 to the end, and then I'll show you. Then it'll make sense. So alright, it will return and create an iterator up until it fails. So once it hits it's false, it fails, and that is all that is returned. So if I were to put this at the, if that would be at the beginning, there would be nothing in the iterator. So that is Itertools Takewhile method. Pretty cool little handy function, and just wanted to make you guys aware of it. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep the comments, questions, and video requests coming. You guys keep me on my toes. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.